Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable automatic power off function of your Sony headphones. So to do this you have to simply switch from the status to the system on the application, and then we have to scroll down until we find automatic power off, and here it's set up to don't turn them off. To turn them off when we remove them from our ears and do not use them, but you can also switch to do not turn off. So right now they will be all time activated. You have to manually turn them off by using this button or put them to the charging case. So that's how you can change this function. Thank you guys for watching. Click thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.